Future strategy that can make money in literally almost any market. Now, am I saying that this one particular very simple strategy is going to make you a millionaire overnight? Absolutely not. Am I saying that you can go sign up with any one of these prop firms and go pull out $50,000 each and every single month for the rest of your life? Absolutely not. Am I saying that you're going to absolutely win every trade? No. If you think that you're going to win every single trade as a trader just because you have a strategy or have found some type of edge, you're in the wrong profession. This is an industry where you need to get comfortable with losing, and comfortable with losing a lot. But if you can control your emotions, control your risk management, a simple strategy like what I'm going to show you, which I've shown you 100 times on YouTube before, back tested each and every single day almost, I think that I do it. Today is October the 18th, and to be honest, today was absolute horrible price action. I think that we were within inside 100 to 120 point range on the NASDAQ 100 essentially all day. And if you guys have been trading the NASDAQ 100, you understand that we can move 50, 60, 100 points in a matter of 5 minutes. So to be trapped in a range of around 100 to 125 points literally all day, but still able to find areas of opportunity to make money is very exceptional. Let's go ahead and do some back testing. I want to just go ahead and break down some of the trades that I was looking at that I personally took today. Some of these trades I took on evaluation accounts. A couple of these trades I took on a funded account. I didn't trade all of my funded accounts today because of the range being so small. And you do have to kind of have that trader's intuition and that common sense to kind of lift your foot off the gas sometimes and realize that not every day is the prime opportunity or day to trade. However, every day there is opportunities where you can make money. Now, again, I'm running a 20-point stop loss and a 5-point take profit. You may like that, you may not like that. That's what I do. You can choose to alter that and do whatever it is that you please. That's what works for me. I like to have a little bit of a higher win rate percentage because it keeps my mind and my mental a little bit more intact. The more I win, the more confident that I feel. I understand that I will lose, but I understand that if I just stick to my rules and stick to my strategy, in the end, over the course of a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks, I will come out profitable as long as I'm sticking to the game plan. So that what we're going to need on our charts is a simple moving average, the 20 simple moving average. We're going to need a 5-minute time frame. What we are going to look for is closes under the 20 period moving average and look for a following candle, preferably the next candle, to confirm the low wick if we're going short, or the high wick of the reason why candle that we're looking to play. You can see here literally at 9:25 in the morning, 5 minutes before the bell opens, the first candle of the day is a sell-off candle. It does confirm the previous reason why low wick. 5 points taken here on one mini contract is a $100 winner. The next trade sets up at 9:40, literally 10 minutes after the bell, quickly confirms and then immediately retraces. However, if you had your order sitting there and you timed the market correctly and you actually executed where you were supposed to execute, if you look at the 940 high wick candle from today, that price is 20,502. Once we confirm, we go to 20,510.75. A 5-point take profit would have been hit here. We should be up $200 on the day. However, here is our first losing trade. At 9:45, the market proceeds to close underneath the 200 period moving average. And this is where a lot of traders fall into this pit where they have a little bit of success, they run into a loser, and they completely fly off the rails, either doubling their size, either taking trades that are outside of the trading plan, and just absolutely going on tilt. So we are going to take a loss on this 9:45 a.m. setup. Now, if we're using a 20-point stop loss like myself, we're going to be down $400. But because we are up $200, now technically we're only down $200 on the day. So it's still manageable. Okay, it's still manageable. I want to continue to show you something here because maybe by doing this type of back testing is going to give you and gain you a little bit more confidence to kind of come in and just treat the strategy for what it's worth. Very mechanical, very emotionless. Just continue to stick to the plan. You should come out on top as long as you're doing everything the way you're supposed to be doing it. Over the course of 50 trades, over the course of 100 trades, you're going to get multiple setups a day with this strategy. The next setup that happens is at 10 o'clock and you're going to see that high price sitting here at 20,498, and then we run all the way up to 20,519. So we're back now only down $100 because this is another $100 win here on one mini contract. That next setup that we get here is at 10:50 in the morning. That entry price is 20,461, and you're going to see that it runs down to 20,452. So now we are essentially flat on the day. Okay, we are essentially flat on the day. The next trade setup happens here at 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. 20,490 and a quarter is your entry price. Next candle confirms and goes up to 20,496. So you're going to see here that you would have taken another $100. Now we are up $100. It is my best interest to, if I do go from green to red back to green, I stop. And if I have to stop with a $100 day, I need to stop with a $100 day. Let's say, for example, you're a greedy SOB and you want to take more out of this market. Well, let's just continue to play this out. The next setup here is at 11:40. The low price is 20,473. And then we confirm at 10:50 where it drops down to 20,472 and then drops down to 20,459. So yes, this would have put you in a little bit of drawdown. It was a little shaky for around 10 minutes, but eventually would have paid. So now we are up $200. The next setup happens here at 12:40. This is coming out of lunchtime. You can see that the high price was 20,490 and then it shoots up to 20,495 and 3/4. You would have been paid here. Now we're up about $300. It's at this point in time where you win 2 trades, 3 trades on this strategy, you need to stop. For me, when I trade this strategy, if I win 2 trades back to back, I'm going to stop. So more than likely on one particular account, I'm going to stop after this one trade, after this second trade, and this next trade that was a loser would be on another account. So this account would be down. I'm going to switch accounts, go to another account. Remind you, I have around 12 accounts right now. 8 of those accounts are funded accounts, and the other 3 or 4 accounts that I'm working on are just evaluations or combines. And I'm always kind of rotating my trades in between there. So yeah, I might have an account that might finish down $200, but I might have a few accounts that are up $100, one of them up $300, maybe up $500. Again, because I'm rotating those accounts, it's easier for me in my mental and my risk management. I'm not going to go through the rest of the trades because, again, I want to get you guys in a habit of when you go from green to red back to green, you got to stop. When you go from 1 winning trade to 2 winning trades, you have to stop. If you take 2 losing trades on the day, you have to stop. No one can make you stop clicking the buttons other than yourself. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you need evaluation accounts, Apex right now is back on 80% off sale with $85 activation fees. That link can be found down in the description box below. If you guys would like to trade with me, I just revamped my Discord here, made it a lot more cleaner. I've got a profit and losses channel with profits and wins, losses and lessons. I've also got futures trading floor where I have indices, energies, metals, and commodities chat rooms. I've also got a stocks and options trading floor where we can talk about options, equities, and a daily watch list of things that I like to see on the stocks and option side of things. And the money maker of it all is the education and learning category channel here, where we've got education updates that I'm updating in real time, the 20 SMA strategy with tips and tricks that are not on YouTube, a micro scalping strategy, the evolution traders theory course where I'm going over the entire body of work on how I'm putting everything together in one whole system on my chart work. I've got a mindset channel, a trading rules channel, and a keynotes channel. We've also got a trading journal channel where you can talk about your personal diary, your progress, your struggles, things that you are working on, and kind of hold yourself accountable. And we have that live trading room floor there where I'm going to be sharing my screen and talking on the voice channel when I do go live inside that Discord. If you'd like to join, that link is down in the description box below. I'll see all of you guys on the inside.